Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel a subscription in Google Play. So let's get started. So here we are in Google Play, and from here what we're going to do is we're going to tap on our profile button in the top right, and then from here you want to go in Spend and Subscriptions. And from here, you click on subscriptions right here since you are canceling your subscription. As you can see, I have my subscriptions here. So I have this subscription right here. So to cancel your subscription, all you have to do is to remove it. So click here on remove right there and click remove. And just like that, it has now been removed or canceled. So if you have an active subscription just like this one, you can also cancel this by clicking here on the cancel subscription. Click on that, and then from here you can just provide the reason on why you are canceling your subscription. So you can just do a reason right here, and then you click on continue. But in my case, I don't want to unsubscribe to this one, so I'm just showing you the example on how you can do that. Since and then from here, that is basically how you can cancel your subscription here in Google Play Store. So you can also go for other apps, like for example, you have a subscription for an app, then always here in payment screen subscription, they be all right here. So that is basically it for this video. This video helped